A 31-year-old who looks like she's 100 years is trending for her looks after she allegedly slept with a man who's not South African, and after seeing the changes in her appearance, she tried to look for this man but he was nowhere to be found. Kwenzakalani lana? Yini lento eyenzakala lana? So the trending video is from a YouTube show called Tuleleni TV, and abantu abayibelieve lento. Abayibelieve bathi akwenzeki lokho. Umuntu angashintsha aze abe kanje ngokuthi ulale nomuntu obelieve ngokuthi maybe akekho right. Abayibelieve. Omunye uze wakhomenda wathi, ngiyathanda ukuyibukela le show and izinto eziningi ngiyazibelieve lezi ezenzakala kule show. Kodwa le ngifila ngathi bashasha ngibelieve. Kwenzakala kanjani lokho? So yeah man, abantu ababelieve bafila ngathi maybe baphusha i-content cause akwenzeki ukuthi umuntu angaba kanje ngokuthi vele ulale nomuntu. Ezingisasho ukuthi abantu abayibelieve lento and nami ngiyibelieve, so I did some research and found out ukuthi there's this disease called rapid aging disease. In simple terms, it means the body starts showing signs of getting old much earlier than normal because the cells get damaged faster than they should. So the person may look or feel older sooner than expected, with things like thin skin, gray hair, weakness, or early health problems that usually happen in older age. So angazi man, mina nami ngifila ngathi maybe le disease le. Cause lento yokuthi bathi lo sis the way angakhona manje ngoba ulale nomuntu wesilisa from outside the country and ukuthi the man is responsible for ukuthi lo sis abukeke kanje manje, leyo angiyibelieve man. Man, ayenzi sense man. Sometimes kumele nje sithi ukusebenzisa nje angazi man, asebenziseni nje man, no man, let's asebenziseni ingqondo. Akumele sebenzise ingqondo. So angazi maybe yimo wrong kodwa ngiyibelieve mfethu. Angiyibelieve lento. I'm one person who really doesn't believe in witchcraft, so I don't really understand how someone's looks can change from looking young to looking like they're 100 years old just because they slept with someone who's believed to be a bad person or umuntu opractice maybe ubuthakathi. Mina ngiyizwa kahle lento guys. Mina into engayisho manje ukuthi if ngempela ilento vele bathi yiyo, then kusho ukuthi mina ngisaseyingane, angazi lutho ke. Kusho ukuthi ngisaseyingane nje, angazi lutho nje ukuthi kunzima kanjani la emhlabeni ukuthi abantu kusho ukuthi abantu ba blind muzi ngithi yo. Kusho ukuthi abantu bahlakaniphile mfethu, if uyakwazi ukuthi ungayenza umuntu abe nje akusiyi talent lelo. Kusho ukuthi yo guys, futhi lento ize yangisabisa nokungisabisa mina. That's why ngabelieve kuyo nje ukuthi umuntu ungakwazi ukuthi ngabelieve ukuthi umuntu angakwazi ukuthi ayenze omunye umuntu abe kanje. Man, I'm having a hard time nje ukuthi ngiyibelieve. So mina ngizothi if vele kuyatholakala ukuthi lo sisi into enayo ile rapid aging disease engikhulume ngayo, kuzoba nzima cause ngifundile ngayo kancane and kubonakala ngathi vele ayilapheki lento. Kusho ukuthi vele uzoba kanje for the rest of her life because there's no cure for this thing. You cannot reverse it back and say okay awuthi sikulungisa awuthi sikulaphe, ayisebenze kanjalo. So asazi man, asazi. We're just gonna have to wait for Tuleleni TV to drop the full episode sikwazi ukuthi sibukele sibone ukuthi enhleki yini eyenzakalayo and then we'll take it from there. If bakhona bangamsiza, hopefully bazokwazi ukuthi bayehlangane naye bakwazi ukumsiza.